Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to save Word file with a password in Microsoft Word document. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly, in this video I will show that save Word file with password. Now going to the file menu option. Now for click, then click for the save as option. Then choose a folder. Now click for the I choose from the desktop. Now for click desktop. Then click for the save type. Now for click tools option. Then click for the general option. Then password to open password. This password to modify is same password. Now click for the OK. Then again same password. Now click for OK. Then again same password. Now click for OK. Now click for the save option. That's it. Now we show the save word password file. Minimize from the. Then going to the. Then show the file. Now for click, double click. That's it. Then we show save Word file with password in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my